Good morning. Today is my first day at university. I feel excited and a little nervous. I hope everything goes well. I have my admission letter, my ID card, and some documents. Let me lock the door. Okay, ready to go.
Hi there, are you going to the university too?
Yes, I am. It's actually my first day. My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Sam. Is this your first year?
Yes, I just came from another country. Everything is new for me. The city, the people, the university. I need to learn how everything works here.
Wow, that's exciting. Don't worry, you'll get used to it. I can show you around.
By the way, do we get a student card that makes public transport free?
Yes, I think so. And the university also has special shuttles for students.
Really? How does that work?
You need to check the app or the map. It shows when the next shuttle comes. Don't worry. When we arrive, I'll show you how to use it. So, where do we go first?
In my email, it says we should go to the Student Services office, second floor, room 204, to get our student ID card.
Okay, let's go then.
Hello, good morning. We are new students. We came for registration and to get our student ID cards. What should we do?
Good morning. Please give me a copy of your admission letter.
Oh no, I forgot to print it. What should I do now?
Don't stress. It's okay. You can print it in the library.
Hello, I need to print a file from my email. How can I do that?
Please send the file to this email address, then I'll print it for you. Do you want it in color or black and white?
Black and white, please.
Here it comes. The printer is working. You can pick it up now.
Thank you so much. How much do I need to pay?
Are you a student? Printing is free for up to 20 pages a day.
Really? That's great. Thank you. Okay, now my documents are complete. Let's hand them in. But honestly, I'm starving.
Me too. We have a few hours before the orientation. Let's eat first.
Wow, I can smell the food already. It's so tempting. What should we eat?
I heard the food court here is really good. Let's check it out.
Do we pay with cash? Or can we use our student card?
I think you can load money onto your student card for future purchases, but I'm not sure. Maybe we should check the university website.
Hello, what can I get for you today?
Can I have pasta with vegetables, please?
I'd like a burger with fries, please.
Would you like any drinks?
No drink for me.
I'll have a soda, please. Is it free refill?
Yes, it is.
This burger looks amazing. I'm so happy right now.
My pasta is delicious, too. But honestly, I prefer healthy food.
Yeah, maybe we should cook our own meals and bring them sometimes.
That's a great idea. We can meal prep for the week.
Deal. But for today, let's just enjoy this food.
It's been such a long day, but I feel happy. Thank you for helping me, Sam.
You're welcome, Sarah. Let's keep in touch and support each other.